left hand side of the steering wheel, we'll do the lights behind first. So we've got indicator right, indicator left, full beam towards you, full beam away is just push, and then again you've got auto lights, like you've got auto wipers. If you set it in auto, that's it, it's done. But you've also got side lights and main beam, and then you've got your full beam above there, and then inside here you've got your front and rear fog lights. You just click those out. Alright, on the left hand side of the wheel we've got our volume control. So we've got plus and minus for volume. We've also got, if you hold the minus down, it also says mute. You can mute it. Now we can also volume up and down on there, and we can also mute just by pressing that button. So basically it's duplicate controls on there. If I go on to radio on here a second. So this button here, it says seek. If we go down or up, it will actually go up through our preset stations, and that's done using that button there. We've got our Bluetooth phone there, which obviously if you're picking up or putting down a call, you can press that button. And then below that we've got our Apple CarPlay or Android Auto command button, which I'll show you in a second. So that's fairly simple. Moving down here, we've got our rear demister window, we've got our hazard lights, and we've got our front demister. So that will help you obviously de-steam the window should you need to. And then we've got temperature controls on here. At the moment they're both synced together, so they're both saying the same, but any time you change the temperature on the heating system, it will show you up on the screen. Now if you don't want to have the same temperature both sides, you press that sync button, and now we've got two separate temperatures, so you can have different temperature zones. Okay, auto just means it will get to the temperature that you've set as quickly as possible. You've got recycled air or clean air straight in. Your fan speed is click up to get the fan to go faster, or down to go down. And then this one, every time you press that, you see there's a different mode. And then aircon on and off, and then you've got off, where you can just turn it off altogether. If you want it to come back on, you literally just press one of the buttons. Below that we've got our heated seats for both front passengers. Press it once, it comes on with the highest heat, then you've got a mid heat and a low heat as well, and then off completely. Below those we've got our automatic stop start, which we can switch on and off if you want to. It means if you drive up to a set of traffic lights and the conditions are right, the car will actually stop. So you can sit there in neutral and just put your foot on the brake. When you push the clutch in, if you've got a clutch, or if you lift your foot off the brake, the car will start again. You've got a USB point in the center, and on this side you've got drive mode. And when we press drive mode, it shows up in this screen here. You've got normal mode, which means it's just the most economic way for driving. You've got sport mode, and it will say sport down in the bottom left hand corner there, which means it will hold it in gear that little bit longer, give you a bit more of a sporty feel. And then you've got winter, which is for if you were driving in really bad weather conditions, it would shorten the changing of gear up, make things easy for you.